I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we're going to highlight the importance of the hydraulic flip-up kit for finish mowers and show you the process of using it. It's a major advantage to be able to flip up the finish mower so that you can service it or clean it frequently, and also helps make the process quicker of changing blades, sharpening blades. You can also store or transport the mower deck in the service position, which gives you more space on a trailer or in a storage facility. First, make sure the deck is in the lowest cut height position. Then, raise the hood, pull 3 pins, and release the belt tension. And lower the hood. Now you're ready to flip the deck up. Start the tractor, raise the hitch arms with the front lever, then you can flip the deck with the rear lever. Be sure to replace the safety pins back underneath the deck lid. Thanks for watching this video on the Ventrac Hydraulic Deck Lift Kit. For more information, visit our website at ventrac.com or visit a dealer near you.